Good afternoon, students. Today I am discuss the topic of management as an art. Meaning of art. Art refers to practical application of existing knowledge. For example, when a person after the completing the course of commerce, then he will starting the work of as accountant, as clerk, as a banker. So many different work he can do according to his ability. Art means you have practical knowledge where you will actual apply his theoretical knowledge into practical works, right? कहने का मतलब कि जो आपने एज अ थ्रेटिकल नॉलेज स्टडी की है, एज यू नो मैनेजमेंट एज अ साइंस, इन साइंस यू हैव get the knowledge of theoretical base, you have get the knowledge of theoretical. Now in management you will actual you will perform. For example, we will take another example. For example, when a person complete their engineering course, then he will perform the work as engineering, right? He will become a engineer of a company. He will do his work, actual he will do the work. It is a art where his theoretical knowledge will perform in actual work. Next, features of management as an art or testing of management as an art. First one is existing of theoretical knowledge. As we know, art is always based on certain theoretical knowledge. On the basis of this knowledge, one can understand how a practical work can be done. Means, आपको theoretical knowledge है, जैसे कॉमर्स में आपने यू विल स्टडी हियर अकाउंटेंसी, हाउ टू मेंटेन अकाउंटेंसी जर्नल किया है, लेजर किया है, ट्रायल बैलेंस किया है. आफ्टर दैट यू गेट द नॉलेज and in art you will apply how to apply it. It is based on theoretical knowledge. आर्ट कैसे है बेस? पहले आपने क्या किया है, नॉलेज, आपको नॉलेज मिली है, अब एक्चुअल में परफॉर्म कैसे करना है वो कहाँ से आप सीखोगे? इट इज़ एन आर्ट, राइट? देन सेकेंड पॉइंट इज पर्सनलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन. As we know, every individual is a vary, his ability, his skill, his behavior, everything is individual behavior is a vary from one person to another, right? For example, two teachers, two player, two actors, two writer are always differ in demonstrating their art. They are different. Everyone has a different ability to do the work, right? Manager also apply theoretical knowledge of management different depending upon how creative they are, how much they are creative. For example, two student, his learning behavior is different. Some of the student are intelligent and some of the average. Now they have different ability to do the work. So we can say that personalized application. मैनेजमेंट क्या है? एक पर्सनलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन है. थर्ड है बेस्ड ऑन प्रैक्टिस एंड क्रिएटिविटी. जस्ट एज एन आर्ट कैन बी with the help of practice. In the same way, managerial skill also improves with the practice. It is based on practice. You get the knowledge. Now in the art you will perform the work and you will do the work with the practice. Every manager has to desire to become a complete expert in his field. Everyone want to expert in his field. One sportsman want to creative or ability to perform their work in better way, right? He must have to expert in his field. For example, Accountant will be expert in his field. Banker has expert in his field, right? These are depends upon the practice and creativity of the individual, right? So in the last we can say that management is both science as well as art, because in science we will get the knowledge how to perform these activities with the help of art. In science you will get the knowledge, in the art you will actual perform the work. So we can say management is both science as well as an art.